I thought of giving it a try to create a AI agent of my own. The goal that I'm giving this agent is to write some Python code. Before I start, there are some prerequisites that we need to keep in mind. One is to have an Anaconda environment set up, have Python installed, and you would also need some patience while you are trying out these commands. There are 10 steps which I have listed down, and they are pretty clear on their own. Uh, the important thing is to decide which LLM you want to use. In this case, I've used Gemini, and then what you want this agent to do. Once you have done the basic setup that is required, you get a default URL, which is a local URL, where you can go and now configure your agent to run. So here, like I said, you have to give a preferred LLM. I'm using Gemini, and then here is a command that I've given to the agent, that is to create a new Python file and run two different code snippets. One is to add two random numbers and then create a pie chart using some dummy data. Once you run, it opens up a browser, and there's also a command prompt that you can open where it shows you what steps it is following. So what it is doing is it is trying to open up a new Python notebook. So I'll try to give some commentary as we progress into the next steps, and it is also documenting every step that it is taking to execute the command that I have given. AI agents are a little different to the assistants that you might come across. These work based on the goal that you have given. Once the goal is given, they take every step to achieve that goal. Yesterday, when I was running the same steps, I was trying to give different commands for it to run different kinds of code snippets, and it was getting errors in few cases, and it was able to delete the code, edit the code itself, and then provide alternate solutions. Now you can see it ran a first request, that is to add two numbers, and then my second request to create a pie chart with some dummy code. I also asked it to save the notebook so that I can in the future go back and use it or share it, whatever that is. It has now saved my notebook and then successfully completed the steps that I've given, and then it closes down. What you also get is a results tab in browser use where you can see what it did, what actions it took, what are the errors. It also got a recording of the steps it took. I made my recording as no by default because it was occupying space, but you can also see the other recordings that I had created in the past. Okay, just to see, if you have to refer back and see how it ran. Let's say I'm running a long task, I can go back and see how it completed my task, what steps it took. So it's beautiful. I encourage all to ensure that you go and look at using these agents. Now let's go and look at the code that it created. So it created this code a minute ago. I'll go and open it, and there you go. This is addition of two random numbers, and this one is creation of a pie chart. That's beautiful. Thank you.